Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Winter wellness is crucial for both physical and mental well-being. During the colder months, it's easy to fall into sedentary routine, which can lead to feelings of sluggishness and decreased energy levels. However, maintaining a healthy lifestyle during winter can help to boost your immunity, prevent seasonal depression, and promote overall happiness. With shorter days, colder months, and increased stress levels, it's important to take extra care of ourselves during winter months. Before we dive deeper into the tips for winter wellness, check out the link in the description for one of my recommendations for the best brainwave guided meditations on the market. Click the link in the description to experience stress relief, a creativity boost, a tranquil atmosphere in your home, or simply to enjoy deep relaxation. Now, here are some winter wellness tips to help you stay healthy, happy, and energized throughout the winter season. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining good health and wellness, especially during winter months when our bodies need more rest to help us stay warm and energized. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and try to establish a consistent sleep schedule to help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. If you have trouble sleeping, consider creating a bedtime routine, reducing caffeine intake, and limiting screen time before bed. Stay active. Staying active is one of the best ways to maintain good health and wellness during the winter months. Regular exercise not only helps to boost energy levels, but it can also improve your mood, reduce stress levels, and strengthen your immune system. If you're not a fan of outdoor exercise, consider joining a gym, taking a fitness class, or participating in indoor sports or activities. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and wellness, especially during winter months when our bodies need more nutrients to stay warm and healthy. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet, and avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. Drinking plenty of water is also important, as staying hydrated can help to boost energy levels and support overall health. Take care of your skin. The dry, cold air of winter can be harsh on your skin, so it's important to take extra care of your skin during winter months. Make sure to use a moisturizer regularly, especially after showering or bathing, and avoid using harsh soaps or hot water. You can also protect your skin by wearing gloves and a hat when going outside, and using a humidifier in your home to add moisture to the air. Stay warm. Staying warm is crucial for maintaining good health and wellness during the winter months. Make sure to dress in layers with a warm coat, hat, and gloves, and invest in warm bedding such as flannel sheets and a comforter to keep you cozy and comfortable at night. You can also use heating pads, hot water bottles, or warm baths to help keep your body warm and relaxed. Reduce stress levels. Winter can be a stressful time of year with increased responsibilities, holiday gatherings, and travel plans. Reducing stress levels is essential for maintaining good health and wellness, so make sure to prioritize self-care such as meditation, yoga, or a relaxing bath. Spending time in nature, such as going for a walk or visiting a park, can also help to reduce stress levels and improve your mood. Boost your immune system. During the winter months, our immune system can be weakened by cold weather, stress, and exposure to germs. To help boost your immune system and keep yourself healthy, consider taking vitamin C supplements, eating a diet rich in antioxidants, and getting plenty of sleep. You can also reduce your exposure to germs by washing your hands regularly and avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and wellness, but it can be easy to forget to drink enough water during the winter months. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider drinking hot tea or soup to help keep yourself hydrated and warm. Avoiding diuretics, such as alcohol and caffeine, can also help you stay hydrated. Try aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a form of alternative medicine that uses essential oils to improve physical and emotional well-being. Certain essential oils, such as eucalyptus, lemon, and lavender, can help to boost energy levels, reduce stress, and improve mental clarity. You can use essential oils as a diffuser in a bath, or by applying them topically to your skin. Get outside. Getting outside and enjoying the winter weather can be a great way to boost your mood and improve your health. Spending time in nature has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health and can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Try to get outside for at least 30 minutes a day, even if it's just for a quick walk or some fresh air. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can help to improve mental and emotional well-being, especially during the winter months when stress levels may be higher. Try to focus on things you're thankful for each day, such as good health, friends and family, and the simple pleasures in life. Writing down your gratitude each day or sharing it with others can help to reinforce positive feelings and improve your mood. Take care of your mental health. Winter can also be a challenging time for mental health, with shorter days, darker skies, and increased stress levels. Taking care of your mental health is essential for maintaining good health and wellness, so make sure to prioritize activities that bring you joy and reduce stress, such as reading, spending time with friends and family, or participating in a hobby. If you're struggling with depression or anxiety, consider reaching out to a mental health professional for support. Try mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are great ways to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and enhance overall well-being. These practices involve focusing on the present moment and becoming more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. You can practice mindfulness and meditation through guided meditation, yoga, or simply by taking a few deep breaths each day. Stay socially connected. Before we get into staying socially connected, check out the link in the description for one of my recommendations for the best brainwave guided meditations on the market. Click the link in the description to experience stress relief, a creativity boost, a tranquil atmosphere in your home, or simply to enjoy deep relaxation. Now, let's get straight into staying socially connected. Staying socially connected is important for our mental and emotional well-being, and it can be especially challenging during winter months when it's cold and dark outside. Try to make plans with friends and family, join a local club or organization, or participate in online communities to stay connected with others. Staying socially connected can help to reduce stress, improve mood, and provide a sense of purpose and belonging. In conclusion, taking care of your health and wellness during the winter months is essential for staying happy and healthy throughout the season. By incorporating these winter wellness tips into your daily routine, you can help to boost your energy levels, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. So don't let the winter blues get you down. Stay active, eat well, and take care of yourself this winter. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show up some love by hitting the like and subscribe icons. And with that said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.